Rahim Rabbi Shrah li sadri wa yassirni amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My dear students of class 8th, today our topic is isotopes. Now this is the structure of atom in which the nucleus is present, electron, and all these are the orbits in which electrons are present, and these are known as the energy levels. Helium, atomic number, and this is atomic mass. Now question arises, what is atomic number? The number of proton in an atom, and the number of proton and neutron in an atom is known as the atomic mass. Interpreting chemical symbol, oxygen, 16 and 8. 16 is the mass number and 8 is the atomic number. Mass number is the total number of proton and neutron in an atom, and the atomic number is the number of proton in an atom. Definition of isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element which contains the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. आइसोटोप्स एक ऐसा एलिमेंट होते हैं जिसमें सेम एलिमेंट्स हैं लेकिन उनके नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन तो सेम है लेकिन नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन जो हैं वो डिफरेंट होंगे. For suppose isotopes of oxygen, 8, 8, 8. Proton number will be same, but their neutron number will be changed. That's why this oxygen have 16, and this oxygen have 17, and this oxygen have 18. Now the neutron number is 8. Here the neutron number is 9, and here the neutron number is 10. You can easily calculate with this formula. Now the isotopes have the same chemical properties but slightly different physical properties. Isotopes की chemical properties same होती हैं but physical properties different है. This is the isotopes of carbon. Carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. These isotopes are also written on your book page number 39, in which carbon 12, the number of proton and neutrons are 6, but when there is the carbon number is 13, then there is the proton number is 6 and the neutron number is 7. When there is the carbon is 14, then proton number is 6 and neutron number is 8. Okay. This is the small chart of some elements and their atomic masses. Radioisotopes. Radioisotopes are the uses of the isotopes, in which you can search its color change, its heat, where radiations comes, and stable and unstable. A stable isotopes does not undergo radioactive. जो आइसोटोप स्टेबल होता है उसमें रेडियो एक्टिविटी नहीं होगी, और जो आइसोटोप्स अनस्टेबल होता है उसमें रेडियो एक्टिव या न्यूक्लियर डिके पाया जाता है. यूजेस ऑफ रेडियो एक्टिव आइसोटोप्स, ये इसकी 4 यूजेस हैं जो बहुत शॉर्ट फॉर्म में यहाँ पर लिखी हुई हैं. डिटेल मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप करूँगी, आप उसमें से देखिएगा कि फूड इरेडिएशन, आप खाने को भी इस रेजिस के थ्रू जो है वो कर सकते हैं. आयोडीन 131 है. कार्बन डेटिंग, दिस इज़ आल्सो द डेफिनेशन विच इज़ मेंशन इन योर समर टास्क, in which the radioactive of carbon 14 in them is called radiocarbon dating. Smoke detectors and the radioactive tracers.